Hey, how's it going? I am out at the park today. It is a nice Friday. Technically, it's a good Friday because it's Good Friday. And I'm just hanging out. It's a beautiful day, and I have my cameras with me, my small package of cameras, which I'm going to talk about more in the future, including my little portable one here that has a monster of a zoom. It's the SZ60 by Panasonic. It has a telephoto equivalent of, 720 on a regular, and then if you do the digital, I don't even remember what that's called. It'll double that. Not the digital zoom, but it's called something different. And I'm just kind of out today taking some pictures and trying to enjoy the day, get out of the studio, which I don't get out very often. And I thought I'd kind of give you guys a view here of where I normally take my sunset pictures at. Again, this is a field here in South Park, which is in southern Pittsburgh. And I'm going to try to spin the camera around and let you kind of look around. I'm just kind of leaning against my truck right here, but we'll do a spin around and let you guys see everything around. And that's everything. This is kind of where I take a lot of sunset pictures and different things. It's a kind of a quiet place. Sometimes you do get a lot of people hanging out here. There's a lot of deer that run through here. It's the park, so you get a lot of noise and different things. But like I said, I'm just kind of here hanging out today, and I just want to take you guys on this short little thing. I don't know where this video is going to end up getting posted. I'll probably put it on my regular channel. But I'm also considering doing a Patreon because I have like 40 or 50 other videos that are currently not on my YouTube. They're stuff that was done by AI that YouTube kind of, is kind of down on AI stuff. So I kind of took them off there, and I may put them on a Patreon. So I'm kind of probably be doing that in the future. And if you're interested in kind of behind the scenes stuff and being part of the Patreon stuff, let me know if you're interested in that, because I would not hesitate to build that if I had people who were interested. But other than that, this is, like I said, this is where I take pictures. I like it here. Today's very overcast. It's probably not going to be a very good sunset day. Like I said, there's places to walk to the right and the left and up the top of the field. And I have my little drone out here sometimes. I have the drone in here. This pack, this small little bag, I'm going to talk about all this in the future, has a lot of stuff in here. So I have my little mini drone. I have my Insta360, which I'm recording on, my phone in the grip, and the zoom, mini zoom. So this little setup in this tiny bag gives me a chance to get pictures that I want, but also that zoom and then the drone and different things like that. But that's kind of what today is, and I might take a picture with each one of those. In the future, I want to talk in depth about these, but just want to take you along today and hope you guys are having yourselves a wonderful day. Again, this is Good Friday here where I'm at, and I just kind of want to take the day and celebrate it for what it is for me and my faith. That's about it from here. Again, I'm probably going to do a few more of these now that the weather's good. I'm able to get out and take walks and different things like that. And I think I'm also, in my normal, videos and stuff, I talk a lot about the different equipment I use and different apps I use. But this is kind of like an on-the-go thing that I want to talk more about in the future, including the microphone that I'm using and different stuff. And it becomes something I can just throw in the truck and kind of be very easy to take with me everywhere I go. And again, this is part of me being creative. It's part of who I am and what I do. And I hope that you guys enjoy what I'm doing here and sharing that. And if you have any ideas or any videos that you'd like me to cover certain pieces of equipment or different things, let me know. But until next time, I hope you guys had a Good Friday and have an awesome Resurrection Sunday coming up. Until next time, take care and God bless.
This video is sponsored by immj. For all my print-on-demand creations like t-shirts, mugs, posters, original photos, my book, The Creative Virus, or what gear I use, visit the shops on immj.com or my Amazon, eBay, or Etsy stores.